Hey traders, you're welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be diving into one of the most powerful indicators for breakout trading on MetaTrader 4. Okay, we are going to be looking specifically at the multi-time frame breakout indicator. Okay, so this tool makes spotting breakouts easier than ever by automatically drawing trend lines on your charts and sending alerts when price breaks these key levels. So let us get into how to use this game-changing indicator to improve your trading. I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart right now, the multi-time frame breakout indicator, right? So this is how the indicator looks like, as you can see. Okay, let's see if we can increase the thickness. All right, seems like I didn't exactly see that option. All right, the multi-time frame breakout indicator is designed to help traders spot breakout opportunities based on price action. Okay, so it automatically plots ascending and descending trend lines on your price chart, which help identify support and resistance levels. You can see the trend lines drawn on the chart automatically after I added the indicator to the chart. You can see this is the descending trend line. This is the ascending trend line. Okay. And, these help identify support and resistance levels. As you can see, this is helping identify resistance and this is helping identify support. Okay. So when price breaks these levels, the indicator sends an alert directly to your MetaTrader 4 platform, letting you know that a potential breakout has occurred. Now let's just quickly look at the inputs. Okay, just ensure that pop-up alerts are enabled. All right, ensure that pop-up alerts are enabled. Ensure that basically make sure that alert options are enabled. Okay, now what is great about this indicator is that it works across multiple time frames. Okay, but it is particularly effective on longer term charts like the 4 hour or the daily time frames, but the multi-time frame breakout indicator uses price action principles to identify price consolidation. Okay, it draws trend lines that define areas where price has been moving sideways, showing clear levels of support and resistance. So when price breaks through these levels, it indicates that a breakout might be happening. The indicator alerts you so you can react quickly to the move. Okay. So now, when you want to execute a buy trade, let us look at the factors to consider. Let us look at the checklist for entering a buy trade. Okay, like I already mentioned, make sure that your alert has been set to true. Ensure that the alert is enabled. You might see the alert in false. Change that false to true. Okay, in the indicator settings so that you get notified when a descending trend line is broken. All right, then you wait for the current candlestick to close before entering a long trade. All right, this helps ensure that the breakout is valid and not just a fake out. For a more conservative approach, you can wait for the price to retest the broken trend line before entering a trade. All right, before entering the trade. So you place your stop loss below the recent swing low. Let's say that maybe price has already dropped up to this point. All right, and then maybe we're getting a confirmation or something. Ensure that you set your stop loss below the recent swing low to protect your position, and you take your profit near the next resistance. All right, near the nearest resistance. Okay, then for a sell trade, you wait for the ascending trend line to break and ensure the candlestick has closed. All right, okay, this is for a continuation. All right, this is for a continuation. I just talked about the breakout strategy. Okay, the breakout strategy for a buy is when price breaks above the descending. Okay, I made a mistake in my explanation. I was focusing on the confirmation instead of the breakout. Okay, so the buy breakout is when the price breaks out of the descending channel, and then ensure you wait for a retest and get a confirmation, then you enter a buy trade, and then of course you set your stop loss below the recent swing low. So the recent swing low might actually be maybe somewhere around here if that breakout has been validated. But if the recent swing low happens not to be here, then well, just ensure you set your stop loss below the breakout point. Okay, then you can now ride the buy breakout. Okay, but in the case of a sell breakout, you wait for the ascending trend line to break. Okay, let's just remove these lines for now. All right. So in the case of a sell breakout, you wait for the ascending. This is the ascending trend line. Don't forget, this is the ascending trend line. This is the descending trend line. So in the case of a sell, you wait for the ascending trend line to break and ensure that the candlestick has closed. So the candlestick should actually close below the ascending trend line. All right. Then you enter your short trade either immediately or after the price retests the broken trend line. But I'm going to recommend waiting for a retest first. Then after a retest, to get your confirmation signal, perhaps a confirmation candlestick pattern, then you set your stop loss just above the recent swing, high, or you place your stop loss above the breakout point, and then your take profit can be at the next support level. All right, take profit can be at the next support level. Then in the case of a bullish breakout, your take profit should you look for the next resistance level. All right, for your take profit. Okay, so that's it. This indicator is great across all time frames, but the key to success is finding what works best for you. It's especially useful when applied to longer time frames, since breakouts tend to be more reliable on higher time frames. Okay, now here are a few extra tips to improve your success rate. You can use additional confirmation tools like the moving average or RSI to verify the breakout signal before entering a trade. And then if you prefer a conservative approach, consider waiting for a retest of the broken trend line, just like I recommend, okay, to reduce the risk of a false breakout. Remember, no system is foolproof, and the probability of losses is always present. So that is why risk management is critical. Make sure to keep your stop loss orders in place and never risk more than you can afford to lose. All right. The multi-time frame breakout indicator for MT4 is a powerful tool that can help you spot breakout opportunities faster and and quite effectively. Okay, so whether you are looking to go long or short, this indicator provides clear signals that can improve your trading strategy. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading tips. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.